Hello everyone. Today I am going to take class on adaptive radiation in Darwin finches. Adaptive radiation. According to Darwin's theory of evolution, living organisms change their physical and anatomical structures over a long period of time for better adaptation to the changing environment. Adaptive radiation is the evolutionary process by which many species originate from one species in an area and radiate to different species. Darwin finches. Charles Darwin observed 14 closely related species of dull-colored bird called finches in Galapagos Island during his voyage in the Beagle 1835. 13 species inhabited in the Galapagos Island and one is a member of Cocos Island. The finches are similar in size and coloration but differ from each other in their feeding habit, feeding adaptation, and the size of their beak. In this diagram we can see 40 different species inhabiting in the Galapagos Island. Their beak is different from each other due to what kind of food they consume. Darwin concluded that all the members of ancestral species had the same type of beak when they reached the Galapagos and started eating different things. Their beaks changes into different forms and size over thousands of years. Each finch species evolved according to its particular food source. For instance, long beak evolved for probing trees and catcay. Thus, catcus finch have long beaks adapted for sucking nectar from catcus flowers. Warbler and woodpecker finches have long beak for probing into trees to find insect and other small animals to eat. Thick and wide beaks evolved for crushing hard seeds. Thus, ground finches have beaks adapted for crushing seeds. Medium finches are better adapted for eating small seeds than larger ones. So they are not likely to be found on islands with a variation in seed size. Large ground finches are able to eat larger seeds. Wide beak also allow them to take in more food. Beak adaptation in finches. Ground finches. Ground finches exhibit great variation in beak structure. They are mainly seed eaters. The size of the beak has correlation with the size of the seed they eat. Warbler finches. Warbler finches are insectivorous. Beak is slender. Woodpecker finch consists of long, stout and straight beak for searching and capturing insect. Vegetarian tree finches. Beak is short and thick for feeding on leaves, buds and fruits. Insectivorous tree finches. Their beak is similar to that of vegetarian tree finches and is specialized for feeding on beetles and other insects. Catcus groundfinch. Long and decurved beak and split tongue for feeding on the nectar and soft pulp of catcus. That's all about the topic. Thank you.